Okay, so I've got a 1980 Honda CM400E. Now, I'm making this video mostly for my brother, but also maybe for YouTube. Now, what I did is I replaced the starter solenoid. Now, you look at this, the mounting brackets there, the rubber, these are rubber, and they're vertical. The one I bought, the mounting brackets are down here. So when you mount it, you actually end up mounting it instead of like this, sliding on, you have to mount it backward or sideways like this. And you can run into trouble because this black lead goes over to the positive and it wasn't long enough. So as you might be able to tell, I turned the black lead backwards to give it the length to reach over there, because normally this black lead would come out this way and then turn and go back, and I had to reverse it. The other problem I'm having is the boot now won't fit, so I'm going to probably have to take the boot off and drill a hole through the side of it and then remount it. So yeah, but it runs. I haven't been able to run it for quite a while, or else I'd have to tap this starter solenoid to get it to run, and now it's running. So if you ever run into that trouble, you could try reversing this one, and you might run into trouble with the cover here. Or I suppose you could get a new cable that was, if you could find one long enough to make that turn where it comes out this way and then turns and goes back to the positive.